So, hello everyone. So, our fifth most important topic is sequence and series. Just remember the formulas. So, what are all the formulas we require? Let us see first. The very first thing is arithmetic progression, like a plus d plus a plus 2d plus so on a plus n minus 1d. So how many terms? First term, second term, third term, like nth term. There are n terms. If you consider, the nth term is given by a plus n minus 1 into d. So a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is first term and d is the common difference between two successive numbers. Difference d, like that. Now what is the sum of all these numbers is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or else n by 2 into, I can write it as a plus 1a plus a plus n minus 1d, nothing but nth term. So first term plus nth term. So this is what you can take it. So this is how you can take the sum of n terms in arithmetic progression. Similarly, you can take GP. So here there is a difference in successive terms. In geometric progression, it is like a plus ar square plus so on, a into r power n minus 1 so on. Like a into let it be. Now this is first term, this is second term, and so on. This is rth term, sorry, nth term. Now here, if you consider, there is a product r common multiplier r, successive numbers. If you multiply r with 1, second you will get. If you multiply with r to the second one, third you will get. So there is a common factor. How much is that? R. So that here the sum will become a into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1 if r greater than 1, or else Sn is a into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r if r less than 1. But these two, whatever conditions we are having, there are less chances to get questions or get application in solving physics. But most of the times we get that the infinite series, like a plus ar square plus so on up to infinity. Then the sum is a by 1 minus r, where r is less than 1. Then r is less than 1. So remember this thing. So this is the most important one. Many times you will get it in physics. Apart from this, the sum of natural numbers, sum of square of natural numbers, sum of cube of natural numbers, that is also important. And I will take that formulas also, and let me explain one example also so that you will understand the importance. Like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on n, that is n into n plus 1 by 2. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus so on, n square equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus so on, n cube equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. Let me tell you one example. Just one example. Consider one particle is moving along a straight line and it covered distances s1, s2, so on, sn in time t1, t2, so on, tn with a speed v1, v2, so on, vn. Then what is the average velocity formula as it is moving along straight line? Average velocity as well as average speed, both are equal. What is average velocity formula? Total displacement s1 plus s2 plus so on, sn by total time. T1 plus T2 plus so on Tn. Now, next. The same formula you can also write in terms of Vt. This is in terms of St. S equal to Vt. So V1 T1 plus V2 T2 plus so on Vn Tn divided by T1 plus T2 plus so on Tn. And the same formula also you can write it in terms of S and V, like S1 plus S2 plus so on Sn by T means S by V, S2 by V2, so on Sn by Vn. Like for example, if you consider S1 is S, S2 is 2S, so on, Sn is Ns. This is the distances covered. Now, with the velocities V, 2V, so on, Nv. Then, what is the average velocity they are asking? They have given S and V values. Then immediately you can go for this formula. So, what is S1 plus S2? S plus 2S plus so on, Ns. S1 by V1, S1 by V1, S by V plus 2S by 2V plus 3S by 3V, so on, Ns by Nv. Here you take S common, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on, N whole divided by SYB. If you take common, 1 plus 1 plus so on 1, how many times? N times. Now S get cancelled, V will go up. Now this is sum of natural numbers, so that it can be written like n into n plus 1 by 2, and this is 1 plus 1 plus 1 n times, so that 1 into n. Now n cancel, so V into n plus 1 by 2. So in a particular situation you should think that this can be useful. So in many situations you will use these data like arithmetic progression, geometric progression, sum of natural numbers and so on. But out of these, the most important one is the GP, the two infinite series. Many times we got questions based on that. And apart from that, this one is also one of the very important, because many times we will get it used. So this is how one simple thing, just formulas, please try to remember without any confusion. And then we will see how many types of questions we can solve based on, means in how many types of questions we can use this data as a mathematical application to get the final answer. So hope you all understood the importance of the main 5 basic mathematical things. That is, the first one, quadratic equation, integration, differentiation, vectors and sequence series. So we will now start the problems, problem 1, problem 2 and so on, so that finally we will get a collection of total, how many I said, 250 very important and simple, logical and challenging type of questions. So hope you will follow every time and you will be in update, you will get the updates and you will practice the things, and if you have any doubt, so please reach me. So thank you so much.